Hello friend, welcome to Market Analysis channel. On this chart, I will be analyzing Ethereum. Ethereum has been trading sideways for an extended period of time and it has bottomed. And when crypto price bottom, the next move which is going to be heading it's upward. I will start my analysis from bottom to the top. I'll walk you through what's happening on Ethereum at the moment. I'll walk you through the big picture and I'll show the projection where Ethereum is heading after it breaks out from its current level. Let's get into this analysis in detail. I'll be starting my analysis from point 3. When you look at the chart from point 3, you will see that that's around the resistance price that Ethereum hit before the sellers come in and take charge of the price and they push Ethereum down towards the 50-day moving average line. When Ethereum drops to the 50-day moving average line, the buyer resists with this explosive bar. It has a very huge volume underneath it and they push the price into the middle of the range of the bar. That stopped the downward correction for a while, but the price then starts trading in sideways. It traded in sideways for an extended period of time and the seller showing a huge reversal bar again with above average volume. That breaks this exhaustion bar on the left side and it now sends the price downward towards the next defense line of the buyers, which is the support zone. And as the price got to the support zone, the buyers notched this very beautiful upward closing bar. The volume is above average volume and it stopped the downward pressure finally on Ethereum. Then it started to have a range trading. This range trading has been going on for several sections and that has shown us and confirmed to us that the downward correction has stopped and the buyers have finally put the price on hold for the sellers. As they continue to drag the battle between both buyers and sellers, remember the price is still underneath the 50-day moving average line and the seller notching this bar again, which is an upward closing bar, but it does not have enough volume to continue the rally. Also note that as this price is happening, there is lots of strength and lots of favor on the buyer side. When you look at the volume throughout this range and sideways trading, you see that all the volumes are below the average volume. That's a very good indication that the sellers are weakening. They've been exhausted and the buyers, just few number of buyers coming in will be overwhelm the sellers and will push the price upward. Also note that as we are in a support zone, that's a floor for the buyers and that's our previous resistance zone from point 1, which the price finally break through in between point 2 and 3 and it's now retesting this resistance zone as a support at the moment. That's also additional strength for the buyers too. And the price is above the 200-day moving average. It's still telling us that the buyers for Ethereum is still on the upside. Now we need a price to confirm our entry, and our entry will be determined once we have an upward close bar on this support zone with above average volume underneath the chart. Once we have such bar, our entry is certain in Ethereum and we will enter our trade. Our focus will now be on point 3 and immediately Ethereum rise to point 3. If it finally break above it around 2,150, then we'll add more to our position because that has finally confirmed to us that uptrend has resumed. Now as uptrend resume, our next focus will now be on the target, which area Ethereum is going to rally up to before it takes another break. That is where we'll be taking our profit at the moment. Let me now go into the big picture. Let me show you what has happened for a while and let me go into the projection as well. When you look at the chart from the left side, you will see that the market bottom. And at the market bottom, it traded backward, far and forward and almost trading range for some time. Then suddenly a rally picked up. As the rally picked up, it sent Ethereum up to as high as 0.1. Then the sellers come in from there, they push the price downward. The price corrected back to the 200-day moving average line before before the buyers finally come in again with huge volume, and they send the price of Ethereum upward. This time they break above the resistance zone and they finally push it upward to 0.3. That's a very nice rally. It's about 56% increase on Ethereum. And as it got to that particular point, the sellers come in again, they push the price downward to the 50-day moving average, and now they finally push it to the support zone. And support zone is the floor for the buyers. And now that if they finally wake up from their slumber and they overwhelm the sellers and push the price upward, then break above 0.3, they will now be focusing on the next target area, and our target point is 3,350. Once the price finally break above 0.3, we will be targeting 3,350 before another retracement. That's equivalent of the 56% increase of distance of 0.2 to 0.3. That's what we use as our projection. So we'll be monitoring this trade and we'll be sending more updates on Ethereum. If this analysis really helped you, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, like the video, post your question in the video section. I'll see you in the next analysis. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.